In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Excel sheet to Notion. If you want to bring spreadsheet data into your Notion workspace, the process is very straightforward. One important thing to keep in mind is that Notion imports this type of file as a CSV. So your Excel sheet should be ready in a compatible format before you upload it. Once that's set, you can import the data directly into a Notion page and turn it into a usable database table. Start by opening Notion and going to the page where you want the Excel sheet to appear. This is the destination page where your imported content will be added, so make sure you're in the correct workspace and on the correct page before moving on. Next, look to the top right corner of that page and click the three-dot menu. This opens the page options where you'll find several actions related to managing and customizing the page. From that menu, click Import. This tells Notion that you want to bring content in from another file or platform rather than creating everything manually from scratch. When the import options appear, click CSV. Even if your original file was created in Excel, this is the option Notion uses for spreadsheet imports. This is the correct choice for bringing tabular data into your page. After that, click Choose File. Your device's file browser will open, allowing you to locate the spreadsheet you want to upload. Find the Excel sheet you want to add and select it from your device. If you have multiple versions of the file saved, take a moment to confirm you're choosing the right one so you don't import outdated information. Once the file is selected, click Map CSV Headers. This step is helpful because it lets Notion recognize and organize the column headings from your spreadsheet. In other words, it helps make sure your data lands in the right structure once it's imported. If your spreadsheet has clear column titles, this part should be quick and smooth. Finally, click Import CSV. Notion will then process the file and add the spreadsheet data to your page. After the import finishes, you can review the table and make any adjustments you need inside Notion, such as renaming properties or cleaning up formatting. And that's it. That's how to add an Excel sheet to Notion. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very fast, and it's a great way to move existing spreadsheet data into a more collaborative and organized workspace.